What I'm doing right now is toning the canvas. You're brushing on a thin wash of your tone color, and you want it to be about a mid value. And we're going to put in darks and pull out lights as we go through the block in. So, we already figured out our compositions, lucky for us. But in the past, I used to do that work in this stage, and that's why in the handout it's called the underpainting checklist when I'm running down my compositional issues. Because I would have this like agreement with myself that if I didn't like my composition after I had done the underpainting block in, I would just wipe it out and do it again, try it again, start over. The problem was I wasn't doing it. I would already have so much skin in the game by the time I was finished doing my underpainting that I wouldn't wipe it out. I would just keep going. And the thing is, you've got to be able to figure out if it's okay or not, like before you proceed, because otherwise you're just going to come up with a whole lot of mediocre paintings. And that was my MO for a long time. I didn't think about composition. I painted for many years and didn't think much about composition like we did yesterday. I did not do what we did yesterday. And then something happened. About 6 years ago, I was at this paint out at the coast, and this artist I really admired, I had already taken a workshop from her, from Portland, was there, and I was all excited to show her my new work. And I showed her some paintings, some figurative paintings, and she looked at them and she said to me, "Sarah, you never think about composition at all, do you?"
Oh,
and I went, "No." And I did. She was right. I never thought about composition. And I sure did from then on. So that was actually a really good moment in my life, looking back on it now, and I'm glad it happened. Because it led to the kind of investigations and the kind of things that we did yesterday.